Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to discuss with you how to create sheets and title blocks in Revit. So this is one of metric profile project here, and I want to create a sheets layout for this. Like you do paper space work in AutoCAD, you have to create a sheet layout in Revit for your ground floor or first floor plan or elevation sections, 3D views. Likewise, so you have to compose in a sheet, and for that you will need to create a sheet for this. So there are two methods in which you can insert sheet in Revit. So first one is that you have to go to view tab here, and now we can see this symbol here. This is for create a page for a document sheet. So you can insert a sheet from here. So I am going to create a sheet from here, and if you click this you will see new sheet and select title blocks, and by default this is E1 30 into 42. This sheet is by default, and you can load a new sheet from here. So I am working in my metric profile, so I am going to load a metric sheet here, and later on I will show you how to work in Imperial project. So I am going to load a metric profile sheet. So I am going to load a family, and now after this I will go to my libraries, and in libraries I am going to English Imperial, and I am going to select metric profile, and I am going to select from this title blocks here, and it will select title block. You can see there is a not metric profile, A1 metric profile sheets, and you can select any of these A1, A2, A3, A4 title sheet blocks here, and you can insert into your project. So I am going to insert a A4 metric profile here, and I am going to click open, and now you can see this is your A4 metric profile is loaded here. And now I am going to create a sheet for this, and now you can see this is your metric profile sheet, and you can edit this. You will select this here, and you can select you can edit these properties from here, and this is the sheet name which is unnamed. So you can see this is unnamed here. If you want to change here, you can select it, proposed residence for client. Suppose I want to rename this, and now I will come down here, and you can change the sheet number also. This is A101. So if you want to rename this, you can do it from here, and I'm going to rename this as sheet number 1, and you can also change the date from here, and drawn by author also. You can rename this, and checked by also you can rename this, and small letter I'm going to make this as a capital letter, and I'm going to apply. And you can see you can change this sheet layout, and you can also remove this autodesk logo, and I will tell you in our Imperial profile how to do this. So I am going to close this, and I will show you how to do in Imperial profile, and I will show you more settings of this sheet layout. I'm going to close this, and now I am in my Imperial project, and where I am working in feet and inches. So this is almost a complete residence project. So I am going to create a sheet title block for this. So I am going to insert a sheet title block. So this is the method 1 which I have told you in metric profile. So, and from second method you can insert sheet from here in project browser, and you can see this is the sheets A1101 unnamed. So I am going to right click here, and I am going to create a new sheet here. So you can select new sheet, and now you are here, new sheet, and you can load. And so I am working in Imperial profile, so I am going to select English Imperial here, And now I am going to title blocks, and I am going to select any of this sheet. So I am going to select this B11 into 17, and I will select this one C17 into 22, and I am going to click OK. And now we are here. So if you want to edit this sheet, you can do it from here. Select the sheet, and you can do some settings like sheet name. I have told you. You can rename this. This is unnamed, so I am going to rename this as proposed residence for Mr. XYZ. And now I will come down, and you can rename this sheet number also, and you can leave like this also. So it depends on you. So I am going to drawn by ABC, and you can also check these all settings, and I'm going to apply. So you can see this is changed here, and also you can do some settings here. So if you want to remove this autodesk logo, you can select this sheet, and you can go to edit family. And now I want to remove this autodesk logo, and I want to put my any other logo. Suppose if you want to create your own logo, you can do it. So you can create any logo here. So I will show you how to do this. So I am going to suppose this is my logo, and I am going to insert this JPG image, and I will reduce the size here. So you can insert logo like this, and you can also remove this text here, or you can write your own text. If you want to write your text here, you can create text here from here, this one, and you can write any discrepancy on the site should be brought in notice of architect. Suppose this is the language if you want to write. You can finish this, and you can edit this text size. So you can create duplicate, and you can reduce the size. This is big, so I'm going to make it 1/8 inches, and I will click OK. And now I'm going to select this here, and I will select this text here, and likewise you can write the text like this, and you can create your own customized sheet. So after this, you want to load this project in your current project. So I am going to load this project because we are in edit family mode. So I am going to load into project, and now you can override the existing version and its parameter value. So you have to select this second one. You are not required to select this first one. So you are required to select second one if you are making any customized changes to your default title block. So I'm going to select second one, and you can see this titles block is changed to your customized sheet. So now I am going to insert my floor plans here. So I am going to my ground floor plan, and you can simply drag and drop here your ground floor plan. So it's telling its view is already placed here in unnamed, and you can see you can I'm going to delete this first, and now I'm going to drag and drop this floor plan, ground floor plan here, and you can see this ground floor plan is placed here, and you can place it here, but you can see this elevation markers are visible here, so this is not looking nice. So you can hide this by two methods. So I will tell you how we can do. So I am going to my ground level here, and now you can either select this elevation markers, and you can right click over here, and you can select this hide in view by category. So you can hide this element, and it will be not visible in your title block sheet. And also can change this scale here. You can either go to settings here, and you can show extension line, you can unhide this, apply, OK, and you can bring this here. So this is the first method how we can hide your elevation marker. So I will tell you, you can also hide this elevation marker. So I'm going to my ground level here, and I am going to hide this elevation markers by another method. You can crop this region, so you have to go to this one, crop view. So I am going to select this crop view, and now you can select this one, show crop region. So you can see this is the crop region, and if you select this crop region here, you can see these 4 dots here. You can bring this in front of your elevation markers, and you can hide this, and this crop view will be used to hide elevation markers. And you can also hide this crop region because it will be visible in your sheets. I will tell you how. I am going to my sheets here, and you can see this elevation markers crop region is visible here, and it's not looking nice, so you can hide this. So again, you can go to your ground level, and I am going to hide this, hide crop region, and this crop region is hide. So now I am going to my title box here, and you can select this line here, and you can go to edit type, and you can hide this, so extension line, OK. And now you can bring this scale here, ground level 1 by 8 inches is equal to 1 feet. So suppose if you want to change the scale of this ground level, so you can go to, you can also select this one, and you can change the scale from here, view scale 1 by 8 inches is equal to 1 feet, and you can change this scale. Suppose you want 3 by 16 is equal to 1 feet, you can apply, and this scale will be increased. So for time being, you can leave it like this. So you can change scale from here, any scale you can select. Suppose you want 1 by 4 inches is 1 feet, click apply, and the scale will be changed. So now I am going to select 1 by 8 inches is equal to 1 feet, and I am going to click apply. And next I am going to drag and drop this first floor plan here, and you can bring this can adjust. So now we can also hide this elevation markers by following the same method. So I'm going to my first floor and I'm going to crop view here, and I'm going to show crop region, and you can see this is the crop region. You can select this crop region here and you can crop this so that elevation markers will be not visible in your title sheets. And you can click this hide crop region, so crop region will be hidden. So now I'm going to again this sheet, and you can see this first floor plan is okay, and you can move this scale here. So now this is your ground and first floor plan, and likewise you can put any schedule and quantities if you have made, or you can put your any elevations or 3D view. Suppose I want to put my 3D view here. I am going to drag and drop my 3D view. So this is my 3D view, and likewise you can crop this. So I am going to my 3D view here, and again I am going to select this crop region and show crop region. So I am going to select this crop region here, and I am going to crop this 3D view. And now I am going to hide this crop region. So this crop region is hidden. Now I am going to my sheets, and you can see this is our 3D view. You can save this here, and now you can put any elevation here. So I am going to my elevation east, and I will select any elevation here. So I am going to select this front elevation. So I am going to use this south elevation here. I am going to drag and drop this south elevation here. So you can crop this by going to south elevation. You can also use this crop view. Click this, make this on, and you can also turn this on, so crop region, and again select crop region. So and drag this, and after this you can hide this crop region. So this outside boundary of crop region will be hidden. Again I am going to my sheet here, and you can see this is very nicely composed sheet is created in Revit, better than AutoCAD and faster than AutoCAD. So it will save a lot of time. So if you want to create sheets like this, you can use this kind of method. Also you can place this view by going to view tab here, and you can select this one also to place your views. Like I was dragging and dropping my views here. You can use this place view. You can select this, going to view tab here, and you can place any of these drawings in your sheets. Suppose I want to place elevation waste, I will select, and I will go to add view to sheets, and you can place anywhere this view. So this is just to make you understand. You can use any of this method. You can drag and drop directly any of the drawing if you want to add in your sheets, or you can go to view and you can use this tool here, place view, and this is for creating title blocks here. So I hope you have understood all of this tutorial, and this was the tutorial for today's session. In the next session I will tell you how to take print in Revit architecture. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.